Do you know what owners of these cars have in common?
He chose poorly.
Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 new cars experiences a significant issue before reaching 50,000 miles? In today's video, we're uncovering the 13 least reliable cars that might not even make it to that milestone. We'll explore why these vehicles should raise red flags for prospective buyers. You won't believe the shocking revelation about some car models that made on this list. The iconic Jeep Wrangler is frequently cited for its reliability issues, especially concerning its transmission, engine, and notorious death wobble. Owners report engine failures that can cost around $4,400 to repair. Electrical malfunctions and transmission problems like gear slippage are frequent, with repair costs often exceeding $2,000. One notorious issue, the death wobble, can make driving at high speeds dangerous, with repairs averaging $800. Despite its off-road capabilities, maintenance issues pile up quickly. The 2024 model has seen 6 recalls, adding to these concerns. Starting at around $21,000, the Volkswagen Jetta faces several reliability issues. Engine stalling is common, and many owners report high fuel consumption. Turbocharged models often experience misfires, while electrical faults, especially in the ignition switches, lead to engine stalls. The Jetta faced 4 recalls in 2024, primarily addressing serious electrical issues. Despite its attractive price, reliability remains a major concern for long-term ownership. You certainly wouldn't expect to run into a Japanese manufacturer on this list. Well, every family has a black sheep, and the black sheep here is the Mitsubishi Mirage, which is known for its underpowered engine and poor handling. Priced around $18,000, the Mitsubishi Mirage is one of the least powerful cars on the market, featuring miserable 78 horsepower engine. Drivers often complain about its performance, especially on highways, where the engine struggles to keep up. The Mirage also suffers from build quality issues, such as noisy cabins and poor handling. Although it's budget-friendly, its long-term durability remains a serious concern. As a newer electric truck, the Rivian R1T faces software glitches, suspension problems, and frequent charging interruptions. Owners report software glitches affecting key systems, as well as suspension problems that result in a less-than-smooth ride. Charging interruptions, often linked to software or hardware issues, have also plagued the vehicle. The 2024 model saw 4 recalls, including concerns with airbags and accelerator pedals, raising serious reliability questions before the truck reaches 50,000 miles. At around $28,000, the Nissan Frontier isn't immune to problems. Transmission and drivetrain issues arise frequently, especially under heavy use. Common complaints include engine overheating, engine stalling, and rough shifting. In 2024, the Frontier had 3 recalls, highlighting its ongoing durability concerns. For those seeking a reliable workhorse, the Frontier may disappoint, making it a risky investment for long-term ownership. It looks like Japanese manufacturers don't have only one black sheep. Starting at $34,000, the Ford Bronco Sport's 1.5 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine has faced significant reliability challenges. Ford has issued multiple recalls for issues like fuel injector cracking, which poses a fire risk. Other frequent complaints include turbocharger failures, overheating problems, and excessive engine noise. In J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study, the Bronco Sport ranked well below average for reliability, with many owners facing powertrain issues long before 50,000 miles. The Volvo XC60, priced around $53,000. While luxurious, this vehicle has been plagued by transmission issues, engine stalling, and electrical failures, especially affecting the infotainment system and driver assist features. The XC60 had 3 recalls in 2024, further suggesting that long-term reliability may not live up to expectations. It's a model that often falls short before reaching 50,000 miles. The Ford F-150 Hybrid, priced around $47,000, promises better fuel efficiency, but is bogged down by reliability problems. Issues with the hybrid battery, engine stalling, and drivetrain failures are commonly reported. The F-150 Hybrid had 4 recalls in 2024, which raises concerns about its long-term dependability compared to the standard F-150. The Nissan Rogue, with its innovative turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, faces serious reliability issues. The complex engine technology leads to potential internal bearing failures and knocking noises. Additionally, The Rogue's continuously variable transmission, or CVT, is notorious for premature failures. In fact, nearly 15% of Rogue owners reported CVT problems within the first few years, with repair costs for a CVT replacement often exceeding $3,300. The Rogue may be better suited for short-term leases rather than long-term ownership. Models like the Hyundai Elantra and Kia Soul, featuring the 2.0 four-cylinder engine, have been plagued with widespread reliability issues. The Theta engine family has been known for excessive oil consumption, bearing failures, and even engine fires. Over 3 million vehicles have been recalled for these issues, and many owners experience engine problems well before reaching 50,000 miles, often leading to costly repairs. The Jaguar F-Pace, priced at around $55,000, is a luxury SUV with stunning looks and sporty performance, but its reliability issues overshadow its appeal. Owners report electrical system failures, transmission problems, and engine leaks. According to J.D. Power, the F-Pace's reliability is well below average compared to other luxury SUVs, and its high repair costs make ownership financially burdensome. Starting at around $40,000, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid has been plagued by reliability problems, particularly with its hybrid powertrain. Issues like electrical failures, battery problems, and even fires have surfaced, causing owners to question its safety at first, and then dependability. A Consumer Reports study ranked the Pacifica as the least reliable vehicle. I guess they probably didn't have included next model in their study. Taking the top spot is the Land Rover Range Rover. Well, no surprise there if you ask me. Owners frequently report engine failures, suspension problems, and persistent electrical malfunctions. A UK warranty study found that the Range Rover is one of the most unreliable vehicles on the market, with average repair costs reaching nearly $2,000 per incident. With complex tech systems and costly maintenance, many owners face hefty repair bills well before reaching 50,000 miles. There you have it, the 13 least reliable cars that might leave you stranded before hitting the 50,000-mile milestone. Now, start making good decisions by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell icon.
You have chosen wisely.
And choose wisely your next vehicle purchase. Buy Toyota.